So during yesterday's cook, I had fully intended to have a segment where I showed myself putting the steak on the smoker and showed the smoker off a little bit. But as it turns out, my camera decided that it didn't want to record that. I didn't realize it until much later that it hadn't recorded, so I couldn't get it. And I did want to put something together to kind of show the smoker off to people that might not know what a WSM is or what it looks like or how it's used. And so today I decided I'm just going to do a really short walkthrough video for all the pieces and parts of a standard Weber Smokey Mountain cooker. I'll be covering the 14.5-inch Weber Smokey Mountain. It also comes in a 18.5-inch and 22.5-inch version, which you can see behind me here and here. I already had the 14.5-inch out for smoking yesterday, so I figured I'll just go over this one. It's already uncovered and ready to go. So simple math says use this one. So the first component is of course the lid. It comes on and off. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. The next section here is the middle section. It's got a door on it. Door, of course, opens and closes. You can add cook to it, mid-fuel, add wood, whatever you need. Inside of the middle section, you got three different parts. You have the upper cooking grate, lower cooking grate, and the water pan. Now, as I said in my last video, I personally don't put water in the pan. It's just not for me. I found I don't need it, but if you want to use water, more power to you. This is what it's there for. So I've just found that it acts as a heat sink and helps me keep temperatures lower, which I don't usually need. So I just don't use water in the water pan. The last portion is the bottom section, the charcoal bowl. It has two components inside. Charcoal ring, which helps keep your charcoal in the middle of your cooker, and the grate. Pretty simple. In all of Weber smokers, temperature control is achieved by these vents on the bottom. You can open and close. The more open the vents are, the hotter your smoker is going to run. It's simple math. The more open they are, the more air is in the smoker, making the fire hotter. So if you're looking for a smoker, I'd highly recommend one of these. They're a great setup. They're great at what they do. I can't speak highly enough of the Weber Smokey Mountain. So if you're in the market for a smoker, definitely check Weber out.